Imagine you have a robot friend. This robot can talk. It can answer questions. It can even draw pictures. But here is the big question. How does this robot learn anything at all? Does it think like a human? Does it have a brain? Does it understand the world? The answer is simpler than you think. Let's paint it step by step. Part 1. AI is not smart at birth. When a human baby is born, it knows almost nothing. It learns by seeing, by touching, by making mistakes. AI is similar. When an AI is first created, it knows nothing. It does not know what a cat is. It does not know what a face is. It does not even know what yes or no means. It is empty, just like a blank page. Part 2. Data is how AI sees the world. Humans learn by experience. AI learns by data. Data is just information, pictures, words, numbers, sounds. For example, if you want AI to learn what a cat is, you show it thousands of pictures of cats. Not one, not 10, thousands. Some cats are big, some are small, some are black, some are white. The AI looks at all of them. It does not see a cat like we do. It only sees patterns. Part 3. Patterns are everything. Let's make this very simple. Imagine a child learning apples. You show the child many apples, red apples, green apples, round apples. After a while, the child understands apples are usually round and have this shape. AI does the same thing. It looks at pictures and says, these shapes appear again and again. It does not know the word apple. It only knows, when I see this pattern, it often means apple. That's learning for AI. Nothing magical, just patterns. Part 4. Mistakes are how AI improves. Now here is the most important part. AI learns by making mistakes. Let's say you show AI a picture. AI says, this is a dog, but it is actually a cat. So you correct it. You say, no, this is a cat. The AI changes itself a tiny bit. Next time, it is slightly better. This happens again and again and again, millions of times. This process is called training. But you don't need to remember the word. Just remember this. AI learns by guessing, being wrong, and adjusting, exactly like a child. Part 5. Inside AI is just math. Here's something surprising. Inside AI, there are no thoughts, no feelings, no ideas, only math. Very simple math, just done very fast. AI is made of tiny decision points. Each one asks, should I go this way or that way? Millions of tiny decisions together create smart behavior, but alone, each one is very simple. Part 6. Neural networks. Painted simply. You may hear the term neural network. It sounds scary, but let's paint it simply. Imagine rows of dots. First row, input, pictures, words. Middle rows, thinking layers. Last row, answer. Each dot sends a small signal to the next. Some signals are strong, some are weak. During learning, AI changes these signals. Strong signals get stronger, wrong ones get weaker. That's it. That's a neural network. Part 7. AI does not understand meaning like humans do. If AI reads the word fire, it does not feel heat. If AI reads the word sad, it does not feel sadness. It only knows when people see this word, they often use these other words. It predicts, that's all. AI is very good at prediction, not understanding. Part 8. Learning never really stops. Some AI systems keep learning. They watch how people use them. They see what answers are liked, which ones are ignored. They adjust again. Tiny changes, all the time. That's why AI seems to improve, not because it becomes conscious, but because it becomes better at guessing. Part 9. Why AI sometimes makes weird mistakes. Have you seen AI make strange errors? This is why. AI does not know truth. It only knows probability. If something looks similar to what it learned, it guesses. Sometimes it guesses wrong, very confidently. That's not intelligence, that's pattern matching. Part 10. Final picture. So let's paint the full picture. AI starts empty, learns from data, finds patterns, makes mistakes, adjusts using math, predicts the most likely answer. No thoughts, no feelings, no understanding, just patterns. If this made AI clearer, like the video, and subscribe to Tech Painted for more technology, simply paint it.